Welcome back, guys. Out here on the world's smallest harbor, Depoe Bay. Gonna go out with Ty. He's a commercial fisherman, has his own little boat, and we're gonna go out and catch a bunch of lingcod and rockfish today. So come along and let's go get them. Well, change of plans. We are not going out of Depoe Bay. We're going out of Newport. There was boats going out of Depoe Bay and turning right around and coming back and saying it was too sporty out there. So we're gonna try it out of Newport. It's a little safer. So stick around. We're still planning on going out. Well, boys, we made it out into the ocean. It's not too bad out here. Mr. Ty.
It's gonna be right there.
Clayton. It's not too bad out here. We're gonna go fishing. Alright guys, we're gonna get her started here. If I can get my rod out of the holder.
Where's you be? Oh, you be right there. Won't be in the way.
What's that just here? Was it a wave? I thought it sounded like a whale, but was it? Yeah, I'm drifting way too fast. I'm gonna need a heavier weight. There, I hit the bottom now. Huh?
I'm guessing we're going on 4 rounds.
I got 5 and yeah, I'm not.
Trying to keep blacks today or what? Yeah. We're gonna go full permit today. Max out that.
Where do we put that
Oh,
stuff?
good for you.
You got one already?
Okay, right there. Look, I guess
Where's
I
the
got
pliers? The box and stuff that you put on?
Okay, I was supposed to be able to. It's up there. We got to the 5 tank.
I need a heavier something or another. It's not. Ty got one. Oh, it's a little two. That's a nice black on the bottom. Real nice one.
Yeah.
Nice. Little.
It's a rockfish.
I think it's a bunch of black.
These guys are fishing and I done broke my stuff off, so I gotta redo.
I'm guessing it's a little blue or a little canary.
What you got?
I don't know.
A canary.
I can feel it. I told you. Blue or canary.
It's a black.
Oh, I got a black.
You got a black. You said it wrong.
I can feel his.
That's a canary though. It's a good one. Clayton killing it, man.
He's still.
That's all right. I got it. If you want to help, if he needs help. What you got, Clayton?
Hopefully a lingcod.
Either ling or cabezon, the way the head shakes.
Yep. It could be a cabezon. I'm known to catch a bunch.
It is cabby. I like cabbies. I love cabbies.
You say 22-inch lingcod.
22-inch lingcod.
There ain't nothing fancy about this one.
Hold us here, Clayton. Nope, you're wrong. Again. Just a black rock bass. Clayton killing it. What is that? Canary? Oh yeah, big old, man, that is a big one.
Yes, now we definitely want those.
That's a nice one there.
$5.50 a pound.
Ha! Okay, let's get it off of there and go to fishing. Hey, we just got here and old Clayton's just hammering them already. And I can't even kid. I caught 1 fish today so far. 1 short lingcod. Oh man, I about fell over too.
You gonna need a net on that?
Well,
A quill? Oh, that's a nice quill. Oh, it came off right there too.
That was a quick release.
Quick release.
Back to fish land.
Back. Bloop, bloop. Second one of the day, but it's yeah.
Earl's thinking we're gonna need the net. Is it big?
No. Stinking one he caught. Same one. Quill back.
Another one gonna go back over.
By the way, Ken, I like your handle. That's a good idea.
That one looks like it's bent over a little bit.
Yeah, this one's got a little weight too.
Maybe this time Earl's actually gonna need the net.
Might be my first keeper of the day finally. Oh, yeah.
Clayton's putting another one in. There's his lingcod.
Nice one.
Oh, bad net job.
Yeah, no kidding. Here, grab that thing and just bring it in.
Yeah.
It's hard to hold that and that.
That's a good lingcod. That might be my personal best, actually.
That was nice.
Look at you, some big ones.
I think the biggest one I ever caught so far was a 30-inch.
Well, we got a tape for you. That's dangerous.
That's pretty. What is?
Holding that thing and trying that to be dangerous. That's panic when I was like, oh, camera. Where's your tape?
That's definitely a keeper, though.
Well, Earl,
Way keeper.
you go from the white line
To the.
to the gray.
Keeping your
So we're gonna no blues today. We're gonna put this guy in a live tank.
Oh, splish splash.
And he was
There to there.
28 and a half, maybe.
See, he wasn't even my biggest.
No, you want me to hand you a steelhead pie?
That's
no,
a good.
don't hand me fish.
That's a good. That's a good fish. You want me to have the net?
Yeah. Don't do what I did.
Oh, I won't.
Right, hold on. We're trying to use the net. That net has no tip to it.
I see that.
So it kind of finicky. I bet you I got a belly hook can.
It's not fighting really, but oh no, it's a big old ling. That's a big ling.
And Clayton's on a big one.
Hey, where's mine? That thing swallowed that bugger. Stick your hand down in there and get it. It came off. Oh man.
Switch up my buttons.
That's a good ling there. Oh yeah. That's what we're after.
That's a nice one.
Got him again. That's, oh boy. Oh, I gotta get this out of the net.
Yeah,
Got two. Good?
Still got her.
Let me get over here. Here it comes. Beautiful fish. Oh man. Got it?
Take your rod.
Ah, let me get over here.
Maybe, maybe not.
Is it on there still?
It's still there. Take your rod.
It's not very big. Is it? I like those. Those are pretty nice looking.
Yeah, for us, these go down the road at $6 per pound.
Nice. You're welcome.
Yeah, thanks.
that in today or what, Ty? Oh yeah. There he is. That's good. He ain't hooked real great. Maybe it is. There you go. He's off now. And this guy can't quit. He just let a little teeny one go that he hooked on the tail. Oh yeah, another nice one. Another nice one. And I'm using the same thing, can't catch squat.
Motion of the ocean.
I guess, I don't know. Alright guys, we're gonna go in. He got a little choppy out here for this little boat. So, we got quite a few lingcod, some rockfish, not very many. But, old Clayton hogged all of them. But yeah, we're gonna go back in. So, catch you back at dock. Oh, it's a wet one going back in, I tell you what. A little rough.
Okay, we got windshield wipers.
We got one windshield wiper. Oh. We're in here out of the wind, staying fairly dry. I am. Clayton, on the other hand,
Getting a little shower.
eh, we'll get there.
That's big. Might not be a big bar day, but it might be a big ocean day.
That's for sure. Clayton's feeling a little wet. Oh, it's smooth as glass here. Get out of that wind chop. There we go. There's the jetty tip. So this is Ty's live tank. That's a black sea bass. Another black sea bass. Tiger rockfish that's clocked out. Another black sea bass. And then we got some lingcod to throw up in here. We'll get them in here. I want to get some pictures of them too, and what we caught today. But yeah, pretty cool setup. Come on up here. Come on up here, black sea bass. So the next step of the process, got to get these out of here by species, weigh them, invoice them, take them over to the live tank in that shed right there behind the forklift. That's what we're doing now. Those lingcod are not happy. Come on, you get a bigger tank if you just settle down. That's a good one there. That's a good one.
Jumper.
they don't like that net at all.
No, we won't.
You know that's what the last one, the craft one was.
Yeah, exactly. There you got one.
Just take that out.
Hey, you got a hook in him again.
We got canary and copper over here.
Might just have to dive for him, huh? Oh!
Got a black over here. Come on, give me a tail, somebody.
about a gill. Stick your hand in his mouth. You wouldn't twice, I bet.
I got my knuckle earlier.
There you go.
Hey, is that the one that came out?
He does
I don't know, it's
not like you.
He jumped out. I think that's the
Yeah,
one that jumped right
probably.
out. He was pissed when I hooked him.
Is that the one that jumped out of the tank while we were fishing?
That's
Probably.
The one that yeah, he was the meanest one so far.
Every time I touch him, he gets mad.
Okay, let's do it. Let's see him bite you.
He's so mad.
Net. Make him swim into the net with no water. Oh, now he's gonna let you pick him up.
You had to get all that.
Scared.
Last one.
So go away those.
This isn't all the lingcod that we caught today, but 40.85 pounds of lingcod, and we already had 28 pounds before that, so not bad for an hour and a half of fishing. All right, guys, this is pretty cool. We got live tanks here with lingcod in, and I'm gonna dip my camera down in here so that you can see a live lingcod under the water sitting down there. I don't know if they're gonna move or not, but we'll see. Let's see what we got. Hope you enjoyed that. This is going to end this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe if you hadn't. Thanks a lot, Ty, taking me out.
Thanks for coming.
Take care, y'all.
All right, we'll catch you later.